This is a League of Legends version of Hangman. Directions are pretty simple. Guess the word, get it right, move on. Don't guess the right word, game's over. Pretty self-explanatory. So let's go. Guess letters, guesses left, and the dashes tell you the amount of letters the word has. So on startup, I give the user a hint just because everybody's not familiar with League of Legends. Not that this hint is very useful for people who don't play League of Legends, but that's not my problem because I like it. So support uses a hook and a phrase. All these I grabbed from League of Legends. I did not make any of this up. But you do have the option to remove the hint, and you can press this button all day long. Nothing will change. Cool. So I do know this, but I'm not sure. I know it's Nautilus. L-U-S? Yeah. Cool. ADC is a rebel, so before I finish the word, it does have the letters I have already entered along with this on the bottom. But since I do have more options, I'm going to go with letters that don't fit with the word. Cool. Guess letters and guesses left, even though it is Jinx. The game will continue and continue until all the words have been guessed correctly. Then you will receive a message of congratulations, you won. Now we're not going to go through the whole thing because it is over 10 characters and nobody has time for that. But as you can see when I say game over, top or jungle has a blind. This is Teemo. Everything is paired together on game over and launch. I used a online EDE, and honestly, I don't think I'll go back to Visual Studio Code because this is amazing. You have so many templates and just languages I've never even heard of, tried, and it's awesome. And it's great. I can also just import from GitHub and also deploy. So this is my layout when it loads for the game that I just made. So see all these words? There's no way I'm going to go through a whole tutorial just to show you a congratulations. But what is nice, you can modify with AI or you can explain it. I haven't seen that in Visual Studio Code. So this is honestly pretty nice. There's so many options that are just not available in a normal IDE. But this is the whole backbone of the game. Remove the hints, display hints, start the game, remaining guesses, talking about the keyboard. If there are no remaining guesses, listener to start, hint, and start the game when the page loads. This is the page that just holds the game format in general. Your guess letters, guesses left, and then your simple style page. So this is honestly great. And I used Git just right here. And I have AI right next to it. So I did have a problem when I started working with this platform and my CSS wasn't connecting correctly So I just asked it right here, hey, check these 4 files, and all the files are selected. So all I have to do is talk about it, and it knows which file I'm talking about. I don't have to go somewhere else. And then I just deployed to GitHub. So I did push it using Replit. We'll figure it out. Who knows? But that is it. Try this IDE. It is awesome.